Hi all, welcome back to our channel. In Odoo 15 rental reporting, you can view different types in terms of daily, weekly, monthly and yearly work report. Based on this, you can analyze the future of your rental business. It will also recognize the working patterns of different marketing and salesperson. The module also gives an idea of dominant customers and their dealings with demand product. Thus, it provides the venture capitalist with establishing the business and what we need to concentrate on more. This video gives an insight on how we can promote rental analysis reporting in the rental business through Odoo 15. Before directly moving to the rental reporting, we need to understand the scheduling of different product in the rental module. So we can move to the schedule menu. In this can deal with the rental related activities like the orders of product, pickup of orders, delivery of the rental product, transaction status, etc. Here we can view the report according to the daily, weekly, monthly and the yearly basis respectively. Currently it is a monthly report. We can get the full details by clicking on any customer orders. So we will get the details including the status. So the status of each customer order is presented in different colors for easy recognition. By clicking on the add option, can schedule new rentals. Here in this window, we can specify the customer name. After that, you can see that the invoice address, delivery address, quotation template, expiration, price list, payment terms are auto-allocated. The product that you are going to give on rent can be added here in the ordered lines tab. So a pop-up window will appear. The from and to date of the rental product can be seen here in this window and it can be changed from here. The duration unit is based on the unit of the rental pricing rule. The quantity of the product can be changed according to the customer's need. So you can change the unit 1 to the 2. And you will get the unit price for the request duration here. The unit price per day and the prices charged for extra hours and days can be seen in the price computation field. So you can click on the add button. After adding product to the order line, we will get the details of the total amount. So the remaining steps in creating the rental orders are the same as that of sales order. You can follow those steps to complete the order and save it using the save button. Now the rental quotation is ready and you can send the quotation order to the customers using the send by email button. So here we can see the recipient, subject, email body, and here we have the option to attach the file and can use the template from the drop down menu, and also can see the option to save as new template. Now we can click on the send button. After getting a confirmation from the customer for the rental order, you can click on the confirm button. After confirming the order, you can see the status of the order as confirmed. The create invoice button will help you to generate an invoice for this order. Later, you can register payment using this invoice. So you can click on the pickup button when the product is ready to be delivered. So you can see that a window will appear and can click on the validate button. Now the status can be seen as picked up. That means the product is delivered to the customer. When the customer returns the product after the rental period, you can click on the return button. So you can validate the return by clicking on the validate button. Now we can see that the status is changed as return. So this is how we create and manage rental orders in the rental module. Now we can move to the reporting menu. This is a graphical representation view based on the daily amount from the measures tab. So we can choose different measures and view them differently. And the representation gives statistics from the 31st March 2022 to 22nd April 2022. So in this window, we'll also get the bar chart, line chart, and the pie chart, and also you can sort it according to the descending and ascending way. And here we can choose various customizable features like filters, group by, comparison, favorites, etc. In the favorites option, the investor can share the rental analysis with different users or make it as default. So we have been discussing on the topic how rental analysis reporting in Odoo helpful for rental businesses. I hope this video was informative and we will be reaching you with a new topic soon. And that's all about the video. Thank you for watching.